It's a 2019 BMW 5 Series. With its exceptionally good looks, powerful performance, and refined style, it transforms your driving experience. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, park distance control park assist, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.